This is a really fun LED Diabolo Chinese yo-yo set I was sent a review from Simgoing. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how easy it is to use when you've never used it before, so let's go. Oh my goodness, it lights up! Batteries already included. Little switch right there to turn it on and off. So this is your main device. This is a hard, heavy-duty plastic. Here is your rope, a thin but heavy-duty braided nylon, and your two little sticks with a nice grippy foam kind of covered handle. So they're gonna be comfortable, non-slip, really lightweight. And last but not least, you've got a mesh carry pouch. So you can take this with you to a picnic, a party, throw it in your bag, travel with it, you name it. You do have to remove these. These are just for like when traveling and storing it. So remove those. They do have lights on both sides and they are independent of each other. So you have to just switch them both on or off. Really fun, especially if you're playing at night. You're gonna tie this on to your sticks. Maneuver the string with these two sticks. You're gonna balance this thing on the string here. It just spins, right? I'm holding in the middle and then it's spinning here and here. It's just really unique. I've seen people use it. How hard can it be, right? Let's see. It's a lot of string. First, we've got to string the sticks and make sure the string is the right length. They give you a ton of string so that it gives you multiple uses, because after it becomes frayed, after a bunch of use, you're gonna have to take that one off and restring it. So you've got plenty of string here, but first you gotta string them. You're going to feed it down through the top, and this is like really frayed. I'm gonna have to cut it down to be able to get it in here. There we go. Okay, so now you're gonna tie a knot like so, and you're gonna tie a knot on top of that one. So we've got a double knot there, and it's gonna be stuck right there. Keep it from getting pulled through. If you wanna do a third knot, you can do that. I'm gonna do it. Make sure it just goes right on top of the other two. Boom. So now we've got one threaded. Now we gotta figure out the length here. Put this one down on the ground, and then you're gonna measure up to your chest and give it a little bit of slack, like 1 inch for space to tie your knot. Cut that. And then we're gonna feed this through the top again, just like we did with the other one. And then we're gonna do the triple knot again. Literally within a few minutes, you're ready to go. And I'm counting those minutes as I got on and I searched how to string my Diabolo. So my tips are coming from professional tips that I found, but you'll see, even for a first timer, you can string them up and be ready to go in like literally minutes. So now we're ready. And again, I am just gonna search how to use it, and then I'm gonna show you my first attempts. There is a learning curve. Don't expect to be flipping it and throwing it up in the air on your first try. We're gonna keep playing with this, and by we, I mean me and my kids, and keep watching some tutorials. But really cool set. Great party trick if you do learn how to do it really well. That will take some practice, but super impressed with this. Great gift idea as well, a really unique one.